Hi everyone, welcome to the final episode of the 2020 collaboration hosted by Poetspice called Stuff It, Bags, Purses, and Boxes. So I made a box and it's an explosion box and I used Stampin' Up! Products. I used Purple Posy cardstock in 12 by 12. Night of Navy, Coastal Cabana, and then the designer papers I used are all from the pattern, Playing with Patterns. It's a 6x6 stack of paper. Has lots of beautiful, fun, bright, birthday-ish kind of colors, which is what I made it for. Now, I will tell you right away, I didn't put special little things on the sides. Inside, they're decorated, but they're not give ready, I'll say, because I'm not exactly sure who I'm giving this to yet. I think I know, but I'm not sure. It's pretty big. It's I think the outside is like 4, yeah, it's about a 4 by 4 at the start, and then of course it grows a little smaller. So let me open it and show you. I haven't made one of these for a while. This one is a different style than the one I made one before, but that was different, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So you take the lid off and it explodes. So see, I've put the papers on, but I haven't put any decorations on anything. And this is different because it has another lid. The one I did before, you just opened it and it automatically plopped open, but this has 3 lids. Now, I watched 2 different videos. One was Mixed Up Craft Sam, and the other one I think was a scrapbook.com video. And I think I ended up doing it more like Mixed Up Craft, but I could be wrong about that because it's been a while since I watched the video. So I intend to put something here. Now on Sam's, she actually had like a big birthday cake thing pop up. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm probably going to have a little box with something in it in here, or maybe just an envelope with something in it with some words on the top. And then I will decorate these inner ones. I really don't know if I'm going to do a whole lot with these other ones, but on these I will. Now, I glued my boxes in, but you could not do that and have 3 separate boxes that could be able to be pulled out. So they're all, you know, graduated a little smaller. And so yeah, I may give this to my grown son because he likes these colors. Anyway, and if I do, I'll probably just put a little envelope with money in or something. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. And it just closes up like that. So that is what I made for this month. I can stuff it, if you will. I usually put other decorations on the sides here, and I haven't gotten to that either. But I will do that top and sides here. Maybe a little bit on tops, but it has to be flat. So I don't know if I'll put anything on those, and then I'll put something in here and decorate these edges. And that's my box that I made for this final episode of the Stuff It collab. Now, you don't have to put 3 lids in, I guess, if you don't want to, but that would ruin the inner surprise, I think. Like, you could just go like that and leave these out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Jamie, thank you for letting me participate, and I apologize for not doing last month's. Yeah, I don't know what happened last month. I don't know. So anyway, so I think this is it. I don't think she's doing this again next year, and I probably wouldn't do it if and no offense to anybody, I just don't have that many dies, and I don't have SGV file machines and stuff like that. So I was kind of feeling like I was a letdown in my projects, and I don't want to feel that way, and I don't want to let the others and the host down. So yeah, so this one is one that will go away for 21. I am going to do a video soon, within the next day or two, of what to expect on this channel for 2021. So I hope that you will watch that. We have some new collabs that we'll be doing here. Both ones that I'm co-hosting or hosting, and ones that other people are hosting. And then a couple that I'm not participating in anymore, such as this one. So, yeah, I hope you will join me in 2021 on both this channel and my other channel, and I'll have a link to that down below. It's called Dahlia Designs, Jewelry, and More, where the focus on that one is strictly jewelry and anything beady. So that's it, guys. Please go check out Jamie, who is Poetspice, and all the other wonderful creators. I've been totally blown away by many of their projects, and yeah, I'm really just totally blown away. And isn't that a pretty blue purse? I wish I had that purse. That is not my purse. I kind of wish it was. Anyway, that's it. All right. Have a wonderful holiday season, and here's to a happy, healthy, and safe new year in 2021 for all of us. All right. Bye for now, guys. Hugs, love, and peace.